everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited. I have a little announcement. If you guys don't follow Daily Goodie Box, then you won't know about this. But so basically everyone says like, how can I get a Daily Goodie Box? And I'm always saying like, interact with them on their social media. But now there's actually a guaranteed way to qualify for a box. So you just go on their website and sign up if you haven't already, and you need to get 300 tickets, and you do that by filling out surveys. So check that out. The link will be in the description box below, as always. Cannot wait to try out this tea. I love any kind of tea, and rhubarb and ginger just sounds so good. So on to the next thing. This is BrightDay. Freedom from Hangover tablets or capsules. I don't actually drink, so I'm like, what am I gonna use these for? But they actually, I don't know if you guys can see, but they actually have a lot of good vitamins and minerals in them, so I assume that you can take them anyway. So next is this bottle of Napz, and I actually still have some from my last Daily Goodie Box when I got those, so I've already done a review on those. This is new for me. WOLO, I guess is how you say it. Peanut Butter Road Tripper. 15 grams of protein. Like, that is serious. Okay, I guess it's like a Cliff Bar. I haven't tried it yet. But let me know if you want to know about it. I'll probably post it on my Instagram. Yeah, so it's like a protein bar. And I'm always like trying different protein bars. As you guys know, I need plenty of energy and plenty of protein. So, I'm excited about these. The Granpa soap company, they make like really good acne bars. So I was excited to see this in here because I didn't know that they had like a hair care line. So this is Witch Hazel shampoo and conditioner, which I think is so great. Like, what a great idea, because you know, witch hazel's really good for your skin, so why wouldn't it be good for your scalp? So I'm excited to try that. I love those little bottles. Next we have RunGum, and it was so funny when I picked this up because I was just saying in my last box and in my last video that it's so cool when companies make things like that you already have but better. Like, most people have mints and gum in their purses or in their backpacks or whatever, and so why not make it into energy supplements? So awesome. So next, this is from Trust Fund Beauty. It is a water-based nail polish, and when it dries, like, you can just peel it right off, which is so cool. It's vegan, not tested on animals, cruelty-free. So this is the color Brain Freeze, and I love this color. I'm not sure if it does anything for me personally, but it's like this really cool like sea foam color, and yeah, it's really cool. At first I didn't even know what it was when I saw the box, but yeah, I was like, wow, this box is great so far. So next we have Iron Energy. Of course, I'm into anything with energy in it. This is the mojito flavor. It's got Mike Tyson on the side, which was surprising. But yeah, it's only 120 calories. Of course, as any natural drink, it's got, you know, good vitamins and minerals in it. This is what I was so excited to see at the bottom of this box. I was not expecting this at all. There are 5 bars in there, and I love the company name. That's it. Like, 2 ingredients. That is amazing. Like, it's just apples and blueberries, and that's the site if you want to go and see more. And as always, if you want to purchase any of these products, the links will be down below. So this is the information card for the Granpa Soap Company, showing you what other kinds of like hair products that they have. And then there's a booklet from WOLO showing basically like their mission statement, what they want to do, what they want to bring to us. Basically, they want to bring us a travel bar that's good for us, not filled with sugar and, additives and stuff like that. So, and I love that they use soy free protein. So that's pea protein. I'm a big fan of pea protein. Flaxseed, turmeric, coconut oil is just amazing. So then they also provide the barcodes, which will be very helpful if you want to find some of these. And I just think that's awesome. So this was an amazing box. Like, they just keep getting better. Like, I'm really not just saying that. Like, they just keep getting better. Like, I mean, it's so cool to try out all these different brands. Like, I just love it. So make sure that you guys go to their website and make sure that you guys subscribe to me because I'll have another one soon. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.